Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD Tools for beginners. In this tutorial, we will move on to the next command, that is face-to-face fillet. So we have seen the edge fillet, variable radius fillet and corridor fillet as of now. So let's click on the face-to-face fillet. So face-to-face fillet can be used when there is no interaction between the faces or when there are more than two sharp edges between the faces. So the first condition is select the face 1 and face 2 when there is no intersection between them, and you can provide the radius over here and just click on OK and create this radius. If you have the limiting elements over here, then you can provide a limiting element. Just right click on it and create a plane. Let's create an offset plane of 20 distance, and again here you need to provide the direction on which side of the plane you need that fillet. Click on preview and it will create a face fillet for you. So again double click on it. If you change the direction, it will create the fillet on the other side. The second condition is like when there are more than two sharp edges between the faces. So let's select the face 1 and face 2, and in between these two faces you can see there are two sharp edges available here. So again click on the face fillet and select the face 1 and face 2, and here click on the more option. Again you can have the another options available here, but you have to provide the radius in a proper way so that it will create a fillet considering this face 1 and face 2. So if you use the radius 10, and if it will not accommodate between these two faces, then the error will show up. So click on the preview and you can see cannot initialize the operation, change the values of parameters and change the operands of the operation. So let's add 60 mm and click on OK. So now you can see the fillet is created. So again if you go on increasing this, you will get a proper radius applied between these two faces. So in this way we can use the face fillet option. So again let's try once again. Select the face 1 and face 2 and let's provide the radius 10. So it will create a face fillet. So thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the upload notifications. Thank you.